This is season 8, episode 1. The coronavirus has taken over the world. Something that started in just China back in January of 2020 has now spread globally and is now affecting our industry, the hospitality industry. This episode, I am chatting to Simon Saul. Simon talks about containment. He talks about busting myths. He's talking about opportunities that are going to arise on the back of it.
Thanks, Mark. Evening all. My name's Simon Saul. I'm the Chief Executive for Jersey Hospitality Association. Talking about the myths, so we've got a number of things. Number one, I think it's understanding about coronavirus. A number of health experts will come out. I would advise people to be careful about what they read on social media. If you have, say, there will be a few businesses out there with a good staff base, it may be worth at this stage having a conversation. If they are all on full-time contracts, 40 hours, etc., if you sit them down together, present your business plan forward, explain that you'd like to keep them all on. The big thing I'm talking to my members about right now, let's be creative. I will use an example. I've had some outside caterers come to me, very successful outside caterers over here, a lot of small private parties, high-end private parties. Everything has disappeared. I mean, they've gone from, lived off this for a while to they haven't got a single booking left and they all disappeared overnight. What do? They've become creative and said, right, people are self-isolating. We've got the ability to create food. Normally we're creating on this level, absolute high top end. What we're going to do is look at creating family-based food that can be delivered for up to 4 people, etc. per meal.
2 options right now. Number 1 is you can procrastinate and you can waste all of your time on social media bitching and whinging and whining about this, or you can be proactive and you can save your business. So what I want to do for the final part of this podcast and the final part of this interview is I want to be sharing opportunity that you're seeing that could be arising from this.